Is excess hair loss in winter real? Yes, it is. So these are the reasons why you actually can appreciate a lot of hair fall during the winter. And what could be the reasons? First is the seasonal variation of hair fall. Well, humans have a hair cycle. We call it as hair rhythm, in which in summers you have peak of hair growth, lot of luscious hair, good volume, and the hair growth is also quite heavy and high. While in winters, it's exactly the opposite. What happens? The hair goes into much of the resting or the shedding phase, and because of which you actually see hair falling. So this is a reason, but it is not a permanent thing. It's a temporary thing which you can definitely manage with. The second reason is vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is one thing which we need for the hair follicles to grow, to multiply, and deficiency of vitamin D leads to weakening of the hair follicles, leading to lot of hair fall during winters, and then especially in winters where there is lack of sunlight, you have low vitamin D. That's why suggested wherever, whenever you can get morning sunshine, please get your vitamin D activated because it is needed. The third is stress and increase in the cortisol. So whatever disruption or maybe stress you have during the day, it shows up on the hair follicles. The nutrition to the hair follicle reduces, the shrinking of the dermal papilla, and that is why the hair falls. So these are the three main reasons which we've identified in winters because of which there is hair fall. How do you take care of it? One, peptide or caffeine based solutions which give you energy, which strengthen the hair follicles, and they help in regaining back the hair. Along with that, you can always go high on protein and iron in the diet. You need not wash the hair very regularly. When the hair is already falling, you don't have to wash them very regularly. Maybe alternate or twice or thrice a week with moisturizing or hydrating shampoos will really do well. Along with that, check your vitamin D. Most important. If deficient, then supplement it for good 3 months to get the levels back. If sleep is an issue, magnesium is one ingredient you can always introduce for relaxing at night and getting good sleep. And last not the least, yes, eggs, fish, chicken, meat proteins, non-veg sources of protein or veg sources of protein, because protein is something which holds up your hair in the form of strength and will reduce the hair fall. I hope this was valuable. Taking care of your hair from inside out, because hair as such is not an important organ for the body, it is an attachment. So any kind of distress to the body, the hair is let gone, and we don't want that, isn't it? So taking care of your crowning glory always helps.